So this is where we're riding today, boys. Oh, Jace is there with me, look. Stay off the brakes is the main thing. Oh, overshoot! Even Odgis overshot it though. Oh, so weird to ride on. I am not good at it. Oh jeez, it's not. I thought it was going to be better. I want to go a bit faster, but I can't. I might have an opportunity. Inside! Inside! Woo! Don't slow down too much! Shit! Oh, I wonder how the boys are getting on behind me. I really should have stayed back there just to watch the carnage. Don't slow down too much, shit! Oh, I wonder how the boys are getting on behind me. Pels is rapid! This is his back garden! Oh, keep the power on! It's hard to do. Oh, God! Oh, I'm wobbly. I'm concentrating so hard. Oh my God. I'm going to turn it off when I get an opportunity to get my hand off the handlebars because I just daren't move right now. Oh! 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 He can turn around and look behind him, look. I cannot do that. Jesus. Don't slow down, pals. Uh-oh. 4x4s. What's going on? Pels is off the course completely. Thank you! Woo! I'll turn it off for a bit. Probably. How was that, Bob? Did you crash? Cookie's not here. Did you?
I learned two things: you can't shut off the gas and you can't take a dab. So I've learned two lessons there. You either sound.
got two side by side here. Can't go around them both at the same time. Robbie! We're in the dunes! I think everybody overshot that one. Can we get him? You can hear me. Right outside! Coming through! Massive overshoot! The arms are killing! Oh, this is definitely not my speciality. I'm going to turn the camera off in a second and I can get my arm off. And photo opportunity for everybody, so we have stopped, the phones are out, that's the view we're looking at. You can probably hear from the wind, it is very windy and Tomo's tired.